Good morning from Option Shop with your morning market stir for Wednesday, March 13th. Well, the beat goes on. The Dow continues its streak. The cash Dow was a little bit positive again here on Tuesday. The other indexes did back off some. The E-Mini S&P was down 4 at 1547. Like I said, the Dow streak continued, very much positive, a couple of points. The Nasdaq was off 8, down 0.3% at 2797 as we're seeing a little bit of a pause here in the tech shares. The bond market did see some bounce with a little bit of a profit taking here. The bonds were 141.5, up 21 ticks. The dollar index was down 6 at 82.56, and the euro strengthened modestly at 130.26. Crude oil continued to drift higher yesterday, closed at 93 for the May contract, $93 per barrel. Now here in the February and March months here, we've seen it drift from $99 down to $90 per barrel. So it'll be interesting to see how it acts at that midpoint at $94.50 on the upside if and when we get there. Gold was a big mover yesterday, up $15, $15.93 per ounce is where gold finished yesterday. Gold had traded in a range last week between $15.85 and $15.65, so that $20 range tacked on that upside breakout projects $16.05 if this is going to continue. So where do the markets stand on this Wednesday morning after a quiet day on Tuesday? Well, we're drifting lower once again. We've seen this 3 days in a row where the morning's futures were much lower and then came back during the course of the day. Well, right now we're down 3 points at 1544 in the E-Mini S&P. Yesterday's low was 1542, and then the number to watch below that is the March 4th breakout at 1525 as a support level. Dow futures right now are down 25 points, and Nasdaq futures are down 5 points at 2793. Bonds continue to rise a little bit. We're up another 7 ticks at 141 3/4. The yield on the 30-year Treasuries dropped down to 3.20% after it had broken out and made new highs here earlier at 326 or so, which was breaking above the April highs in yield. The dollar index is steady, as is the euro, down 10 points at 130.16, holding the 130 level. Again, we've been trading here recently between 130 and 133 for the last couple weeks. Crude oil is also higher this morning, 93.25, up 30 cents as we stand right now. And gold continues its push higher, 15.95, up $3 per ounce. So as we stand here on this Wednesday morning, the E-Mini S&P is down 3 points and the Dow futures are down 25 with about 2 hours to go before the stock cash opening. I will see you early Thursday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. For Option Shop at the CME Group, it all comes back to commodities.